wood guy, and we've got James right here, home decor and handmade wooden signs. All right, so first things first, James, I prefer a personal photo, but it's up to you. But I think, it just adds a little bit more familiarity, a little bit more of kind of a connection with your shop and who it is that you're buying from. So I like that. I think it's nice to have a photo, so I would recommend a personal photo if you don't have any reason not to. And then let's look at your banner right here. So the banner is cute. These bears are really hard to see though, so I don't know if you can make those pop, kind of stand out a little bit better. um and then your logo, I like the logo, but it's this very small, so I'd recommend cropping the logo a little bit, because this center part of the logo is really cool, but when you've got this like watermark version of it behind it, I think it kind of pulls away, and I would rather just zoom in on the logo and just show the original logo itself, instead of trying to show off both versions of it. All right, so let's look at your products. We got some fun products here, and let's check out this one here. Best grandfather wood sign, birthday gift, Father's Day gift, dad, gift idea for dad, Father's Day gift from daughter, son, dad gift from wife. Okay, lots of good keywords here. Let's just check out your first one here, and let's see, make sure it's in the right kind of range for you. So best grandfather wood sign. So 656 results. A little bit smaller. I actually thought it would be bigger. So what you could do to make it a little bit bigger is just get rid of the word best, because everybody thinks their grandfather is the best anyway. So not many people are going to search the keyword best. So if you're putting something in there like best Mother's Day gift or best Father's Day gift, it's not necessary to use that word. You can just say Father's Day gift and Mother's Day gift. So when we cut that one out and we just go to grandfather wood sign, now we've got 2,583 results. So really a good number of results, and much more relevant to your product. So I would get rid of the word best. And then let's see, this one here, birthday gift, I would cut that because it's so generic, and I would go Father's Day gift dad. I think that's probably a better one. But I think I would still focus, too big, 589,000. I think I would still focus on grandfather gift. So grandfather wall art gift, 3,467. So a little bit better there. I'm going to pop some of these in here for you. And then what do we have for this one? Grandfather wood sign. I don't remember what it was, but it was better. But let's check again. We'll get at the numbers here. 2583. Okay. So those are my big suggestions for that. Work on the keywords a little bit. Just get them a little bit more honed in. You have really good keywords already. You just need to actually kind of vet them, And the way you do that is you just take them over to Etsy and you search them. And you could see from the first one we had, best grandfather wood sign only had like 600 results. Grandfather wood signs had 2,500. So I would recommend vetting all your keywords there. Now let's look at, we've got please name, color stain for frame, also color of background and lettering. Okay, let's check it out. All the different options. So we've got all these different wood colors. Okay, very nice, good. We've got, I love that, you're showing off the hook and how it hangs up. That's really good. And we got a picture there. So you are asking me for a lot of other, I would recommend a color chart for the background, because you're asking for a color of the background and color of the lettering. And so I'd recommend a color chart for the lettering colors options and the background color options. Because those right now, I don't know exactly what color options you have other than whatever I make up myself, white, black, or something like that. So add a color chart for the background and the lettering. That way people can figure out what they want to do for that.